Good morning and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Today I will tell you English spelling rule number 9, which is very interesting. The name of this rule is rabbit rule. Rabbit rule. In this rule, we notice when two vowels come in one word and there is a consonant between two vowels, then we double the consonant. जब भी किसी वर्ड में दो वाउल्स आते हैं और वाउल्स के दरमियान में एक कॉन्सोनेंट आता है तो हम उस कॉन्सोनेंट को डबल कर देते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मफिन, यू एंड आई बोथ आर वाउल्स बट एफ इज अ कॉन्सोनेंट सो वी डबल इट. puppet, U and E both are vowels but P is a consonant, we double the P. When two vowels come in one letter but between two vowels there is one consonant, then we double the consonant. It is called the rabbit rule. Rabbit, A and I both are vowels, B is a consonant, so we double it. I hope all of you understand this. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.